Have you ever dreamt of exploring the world on your own terms? The open road calls to those with a spirit of adventure and a heart full of wanderlust. Solo travel offers a unique brand of freedom and excitement. It's an invitation to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. It's a chance to break free from routine, discover new horizons, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Every journey becomes a story, every destination a chapter in your personal travelogue. Imagine strolling through bustling markets in Marrakesh, where every corner reveals a new sight, sound, and scent. Savoring fresh croissants in a Parisian cafe, with the Eiffel Tower as your backdrop, is a moment of pure bliss. Or hiking to breathtaking viewpoints in the Himalayas, all at your own pace, with the freedom to linger and absorb the beauty around you. Solo travel empowers you to design an itinerary that reflects your passions and interests. You are the master of your journey, free to follow your whims and desires. But solo travel isn't just about ticking off destinations. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, learning from the locals, and gaining a deeper understanding of the world. It's about embracing the unexpected, pushing your comfort zone, and opening yourself up to new experiences and connections. Every encounter is an opportunity to grow and learn. It's about discovering the world and, in turn, discovering yourself. Each journey is a path to self-discovery, where you find new strengths and passions within. While the prospect of solo adventure is exhilarating, it's essential to prioritize safety. Traveling alone can be a liberating experience, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and risks. A bit of preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey. Make sure to pack wisely, including all necessary documents, and plan your itinerary in advance. Start by researching your destinations thoroughly. Look into the best places to visit, the safest neighborhoods to stay in, and any travel advisories that might be in place. Familiarize yourself with local customs, laws, and any potential safety concerns. Understanding the culture and norms can help you blend in and avoid unwanted attention. Always be mindful of your belongings. Keep your bags close and never leave them unattended, especially in crowded areas. Keep your valuables secure and avoid flashing large amounts of cash. Use money belts or hidden pockets to store your cash and important documents. Utilize hotel safes whenever possible, and be cautious about who you share personal information with. It's better to be overly cautious than to risk your safety. Trust your instincts. If a situation feels unsafe, remove yourself immediately. Your intuition is a powerful tool in keeping you safe. It's always better to err on the side of caution. Taking a safer route or avoiding certain areas can prevent potential dangers. Remember, your safety is paramount. Confidence and awareness can go a long way in ensuring a safe journey. Share your itinerary with loved ones back home and check in regularly. Keeping in touch with family and friends can provide an extra layer of security and peace of mind. One of the greatest joys of travel is meeting new people and forging connections across cultures. While it may seem daunting at first, connecting with others while traveling solo is easier than you might think. Hostels are fantastic hubs for meeting fellow adventurers. Consider joining a group tour or activity, like a cooking class or walking tour. These provide fantastic opportunities to bond with like-minded people over shared interests. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with locals. They often have the best insider tips and can offer unique perspectives on their culture. Utilize social media and travel apps to connect with other travelers and locals in your destination. One of the most liberating aspects of solo travel is the freedom to be spontaneous. The ability to make decisions on the fly without having to consult or compromise with anyone else is truly empowering. Without the constraints of a fixed itinerary or travel companions, you have the flexibility to change your plans on a whim. You can follow your instincts and let your curiosity lead the way. Did you stumble upon a charming cafe? Take a moment to step inside and explore its unique offerings. Linger over a coffee and soak in the ambience. Savor the flavors, watch the world go by, and let yourself be fully present in the moment. Did a local recommend a hidden gem off the beaten path? Embrace the detour. These are the experiences that make your journey truly unique. These unexpected moments often lead to the most cherished travel memories. The laughter shared with strangers, the breathtaking views captured on your camera, all become part of your story. Allow yourself to wander without a plan, get wonderfully lost, and embrace the unexpected detours. Explore narrow alleys, bustling markets, and hidden corners of the city. Some of the most incredible experiences come from embracing the unknown and allowing yourself to be guided by curiosity and a sense of adventure. Let the journey unfold naturally, and you'll find that the freedom to roam brings endless possibilities and unforgettable moments.